What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the Ghouls Gaming and Tech channel. Today we have another unboxing slash review of another case that is best fit for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is the Torras magnetic Guardian case. You can find this on Amazon for about $30.59. The link will be in the description below. Personally, I think this case is just a little bit too high. I think at max it should be about 25 bucks, but it has some interchangeable parts, which I guess it kind of makes up for that extra $5. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's definitely appreciated. And if you're new or returning, make sure to hit that like button. That's also appreciated as well. We have Spidey in the building as always. He's our official timekeeper. He makes sure that I do not prolong these videos longer than they need to be, because I know you guys are busy people. You have things to do, and I'm not trying to take up too much of your time. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So first thing, we are going to unbox this bad boy. So it comes in this nice box. I appreciate the presentation. And there is the case right there. So I have already taken out the deep purple buttons that already came on here and put on these very vibrant orange ones. And I really like these overall. This is the deep purple case. And as you can see, that MagSafe ring right there. But you also get a QR code for a warranty. You already activated it. You just scan your camera on your phone and fill out some information, and you can activate your warranty for this. So, and also, like I said, you have some interchangeable buttons. These are the deep purple buttons that already came on here. I took them out. Oh, I dropped one. Very easy to pop off. You can just peel it, literally peel it off. Oh, they're going everywhere. They're like little Skittles. But you can literally just peel it off and then slide it right back in. And as you can see, you also have another set of these like light lime green buttons right here. My best recommendation is that if you are interchanging the buttons on the case, it's best to do it when you have the case on the phone, because it just makes it a lot easier for sliding the buttons on and off, because it has some kind of backing to it. So as far as buttons and cutouts, as you can see, it has the typical volume up and down buttons and your cutout for your volume switch. You have the Torras branding right here at the bottom. At the absolute bottom, you have your cutout for your speakers and your charging port. And if you flip it over, you see you have the cutout for the lanyard right here. And then you have your power button slash Siri switch cutout right there for your button. And then if you flip to the back, you have the cutout for the camera. Typical is very raised, so your camera's gonna get good protection. And then again, you have that MagSafe and wireless charging ring right there. So the actual transparent part of the case is a little slippery, I would say, but where you actually grip your phone, it seems pretty sturdy when it comes to the grip. So I don't foresee myself having any issues with holding this phone and keeping it in my hands, because the grip on the sides of this little border is pretty sturdy. So we're gonna put this on and we're going to discuss the fit and protection. So as you saw, it just snapped on like a glove. And as far as protection, like I said, the camera hump is pretty raised. Now, as far as the front, you have a pretty good lip when it comes to the raised edges, so you won't have any issues there. You slam it on the table here or on the ground, you're gonna have pretty good protection. So this does work with MagSafe. Obviously, like I advised you, you guys see the MagSafe ring right here. You just slap this on and it snaps right into place. We're gonna do a little shake test. So as you can see, it's not going anywhere. So this MagSafe ring is pretty safe, or pretty durable, and the actual wireless charging does work. It works with ease, and if you have one of those wireless chargers that have a MagSafe ring in it, it'll snap right into it. As I say with other cases, if they're a little bit flexible as far as the material, this is a very hard plastic or silicone. You're not going to see any of this peeling off, because this is pretty much like hard plastic on the side. I mean, obviously you will probably get like a chip or something if this hits directly on concrete. You know, you drop it in your house, in the office, maybe when you're getting or exiting out of your vehicle. This case is going to hold up pretty steady. I wish I could show you guys through the camera how sturdy this is on this phone, but it's very, very sturdy, and I definitely appreciate this, and the raised edges definitely help. So overall, I would definitely recommend this case. It definitely feels pretty good. The price is reasonable enough, and it comes with some interchangeable parts, so that makes it a little bit more fun than a day-to-day case. And as the logo on here, or the saying goes on here, Torras, simple but unique, and that completely describes this case. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Thank you guys for tuning in. Spidey, where we at on time? All right, we good. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.